In subtraction of integers, the rules is merely the same with the addition of integers. For example, if you have positive minus positive, so the answer in here will be depending on the given problems. For example, if you have 7 minus 3, the answer is 4. So in this case, we will do the normal subtraction because both of them are positive. But if you have negative 7 minus negative 3, so negative negative will give you positive. So when you see negative negative, it will turn into positive. And negative 7 plus 3 is equal to negative 4. So the rules is subtract the number, then copy the sign of the big number. Since 7 is bigger than 3 and the sign of 7 is negative, so the answer will be negative 4. And the third example is you have positive 7 minus negative 3. So again, if you have negative negative, it will turn into positive. So it will become 7 plus 3. So the answer is 10. And lastly, if you have negative 3 minus 7, so add the number, then copy the sign. So 3 and 7 will give you 10, then just copy the sign negative. Okay? So that's all. Bye!